graders can really do it all. A group from Tech has brought some hardware back home from NASA's Human Rover Challenge. KLBK's Brent Shavia Jordan tells us more about this very cool contest.
The team had to build the rover from scratch in 3 months for the competition. The students say while this experience was fun, it was still a challenge.
I've never machined anything, so I went into this not knowing how to weld, not knowing how to use a lathe or mill, and I ended up with 2 other people. We welded the whole entire thing. So Cruz Torres, Mateo Robles, and I ended up doing the majority of the welding for this.
NASA's Human Exploration Rover Challenge returned in person for the first time since 2019, with more than 500 students competing from around the world in colleges and high school teams. Texas Tech mechanical engineering professor Dr. Jeff Hansen says he uses this competition as a senior project.
It's a culmination of everything that they've put in their toolbox through their whole entire collegiate career. So they've got statics, dynamics, thermodynamics, fluids, all of those different classes, and now you have to take all of that and apply it to this one project and make something and then go compete on a national level with other schools.
During the competition, students take their designed vehicle on a course that is approximately half a mile, competing in obstacles and mission tasks, earning points on their performance and the efficiency of the rover.
I was just incredibly proud of what they learned, and it's really cool for me as a professor to see what they learned from where they started and when they were just like, I don't know how any of this works, and to where they got to, and then go to compete at a national competition. I couldn't be more proud of my students.
Awards were presented in 9 categories such as STEAM engagement, task challenge, and videography. And Tech took home the trophy for the safety category.
There was a medical emergency on the field, and in their words, without missing a beat, Texas Tech came up and helped them out and comforted them and took care of the medical emergency as well.
Professor Hansen says he hopes the biggest lesson the students learn from this is the importance of teamwork, that it does not just apply to this competition, but to life.
And congrats to them. You know, earlier at the top of the newscast, I said this had nothing to do with sports, but you got to be pretty athletic to compete in something like that. So nice job there. Thanks, Brent Shavia.